Hello friends, in this video we are dealing with the two other forms of DNA, that is A form and Z form of DNA. In this, first is A form of DNA. It is generally experimentally observed in partially dehydrated samples of DNA. This DNA is arranged in right-handed double helix, but the helix is wider. Number of base pair per helical turn is 11. In this form, the plane of base pair in aDNA is tilted about 19 to 20 degree with respect to the helix axis. These structural changes deepen the major groove while making minor groove shallower. The successive base pairs occur every 0.23 nanometer along the axis. This form of DNA is short and thick. Next is ZDNA. It was first recognized by Alexander Rich and his colleagues. The alternating pyrimidine-purine sequence of this oligonucleotide is the key to its unusual properties. N-glycosyl bonds of guanosine residue in this alternating copolymer rotates 180 degree with respect to their conformation, so that purine ring is in syn rather than anti-conformation. It shows left-handed helical rotation. There are 12 base pairs per helical turn and the structure appears more slender and elongated. The DNA backbone takes zigzag appearance, so that it is called as ZDNA. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for watching.